I'm Caleb. Please like and subscribe.
Okay, so Holly, it is taste test time. And people have been asking for this since you have joined the podcast. So,
oh my god.
Without further ado, yeah, drum roll, let's do drum roll. It is frog legs.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
We have a nice batch of frog legs, and they're gigantic.
Get you a Kermit.
Oh my god!
Gigantic frog legs.
I can't do it. Oh my gosh! I can't. Oh crap!
Here's a paper towel.
That's so nice
Oh
of you,
my
Josh.
god, you guys! I've never seen.
Those are giant
They're
frogs.
like little
Those
dancing
are
frogs.
the jumbo
Hey, this
frogs.
is lunch. This is all we're feeding you
This
for
is-
lunch. So.
Oh, you got one. Okay.
I don't think I can do it. It looks like a.
Bon appetit.
It's like a little
I mean,
frog
No, it
head.
looks like a frog.
I'm trying to get it to where
mean,
people
Lower
can see
body.
it.
Like I
Like, cut it
cannot.
right
It's like its
I mean,
butt
this
and
is just
everything.
I
Hey, but
don't
notice
know.
how they slice that tendon there?
Stop.
You know why they do that?
No.
Because if you cook frog legs and
They'll
you don't
jump out.
slice that tendon, they will jump out of the pan.
Shut up.
Yeah, for
They
real,
will. They
yeah.
will.
I've seen
Stop
it.
it, you guys. I can't.
Are we gonna have our very first denial?
I
It's-
can't.
Is that okay?
I don't know. We've never been here
Should we
before.
convene somewhere and talk about this?
Yeah, we're gonna have to huddle up.
Why does it have to actually look like a frog? Like
Because it is frog legs.
It's a little dancing frog.
What?
I can't do it. I don't even know.
What if you just took the meat off of the thigh and just ate it like that?
I'm shaking.
I know. You look like you're about to cry.
I think
No.
I
And now
am
I'm starting to
like
feel bad.
I kind of do feel bad.
I can't. It looks like a frog. The second half of the frog.
It-
It's all right.
Little frog booty.
Don't.
It is the second half of the frog.
It's frog booty like
Can you touch it?
I
So, for the record, the frog phobia is real.
Yeah, it is real.
The whole attitude has changed all of a sudden.
She's never coming
We
back.
won't, we won't make you do it.
So, we're canceling the New Year's Eve party.
it's freaking me out. Like I'm so scared.
You don't have to, but if you close your eyes, maybe.
I'd probably, if you're gonna,
Close my eyes.
I just
I just pull. If you're gonna try it, I just pull a
What part
piece
do
off.
you even eat?
I'd try the thigh. I just like the
Eat
butt.
the butt.
Oh,
Eat the butt.
gosh.
eat it like
Ass munch.
eat it like a chicken leg.
Ass munch frog leg type taste test.
Oh,
It's a mouthful.
It's a mouthful.
You guys.
Ribbit.
Oh crap.
I like Caleb's idea. Just take a little piece off of
Take
it.
a chunk off of it.
Just eat like a chicken leg.
That's all
I
breading
don't
right there.
I don't eat even chicken things on the bone.
I'm just gonna eat it like a
Oh
chicken.
yeah,
leg.
you don't like the bones.
I'm gonna be like
That's right. Yeah. Yeah. Do what you
I'm
say.
going right in.
Oh
All right.
no.
Good. Ready?
Oh, really? Are you gonna
No.
They're nice and warm
They are
too.
warm.
Oh.
She touched
Oh.
it. She touched it. She touched
You
it.
guys.
We're making progress.
Oh, okay. Oh, shoot.
3, 2, 1.
I can't.
Or trash can.
You can.
Hey, if you gotta spew that direction.
I'll spew into this.
It's not like chicken.
That's the first time I've ever had it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I have had it before.
Have you?
Yeah.
No, I've had it before too.
I can't even swallow it. Oh gosh.
Well, hey, that was pretty
You did
good.
good.
I'm proud of you.
Oh gosh, I don't like it.
She gonna go curl up in a ball now.
Well, well,
Actually, what do you guys think? We know what Holly thinks.
chicken's better.
Chicken is better.
Chicken is better, but that wasn't horrible.
Wasn't horrible.
It was horrible. Here, I can't even look. I can't even look at
Just
it.
throw it in there.
It's like it actually looks like little frogs. I just cannot.
Yeah, so it doesn't look like. Well, Greg will probably eat it later.
Sure.
Okay, so thank you for being a good sport. So I don't think that any taste test. All right, let me be honest with you. Next week's taste test
Might be worse.
is going to be worse, but maybe not
to
for
her.
you.
Yeah, maybe not to her.
But it is for us.
I'm telling you guys, I would much rather do the hot chip challenge than ever
Really?
do that again.
Not me.
Like I
No
am
way in
shaking.
hell.
Like I'm
Yeah.
shaking. I can't.
Sure, it's just because it's not cold outside.
It's not cold in here.
Well, you did really well.
Round of applause.
Yeah.
Holly.
No,
gonna hate us
I'm
now.
mad at
I
you
know.
guys.
Hateful
I'm
eyes.
mad at the
I feel
Safemoon
like
Army. Dang it.
I feel like the cameras are going to go off. We're all going to get black
Yeah,
eyes.
it's gonna come back on live. It's just
We're
Holly
like,
sitting here.
Yeah.